guys, welcome to Nelson Family Farm. We're here on the back of the farm. Some of our back fields don't have any real good water supply. Well, we've been farming for many generations, and the old timers, you know, the grandfather, great grandfather, and even my father would put the cows in the brook, and well, we're trying to do things a little better. So we pump water out of the brook and we run it up to the water tanks. And we're going to move the water tank. We're going to show you that in a little bit here. But we just got this little gas operated Predator pump with 1-inch water line. Works really well. But the brook is getting dry, and we got an old well that's on the farm, and big old rocked up well. We'll be checking that out in a little bit. We're gonna pump some water out of that rock well. So stay tuned. So guys, we got the pump all picked up, the hose is all wrapped up, the bucket, everything. We're going to move the hose over to the other side of the pasture, the big pasture, and go into the well. So yeah, that's the next process. Hey guys, so we got the pump all set up here in the old well. This is an old rock well that's 18 feet deep. It is crystal clear, pretty near full to the top. It's right there. In the driest time of the year, we've checked it. It goes right down to the ledge. It's quite an old well. It's about 6 feet wide. The old farmhouse where my father was born and his father, the old water run into the farmhouse down in there, gravity feed. But back in the 60s, I guess they drilled the well, discontinued this. But this is one of the many functioning wells that we still have on the farm. So we're going to fire this pump up in just a minute. We're going to start watering our cows. Go so you can get to that bottom. Okay.
Well, it is. All that's falling out is the wood from that cedar. I mean, yeah, just look how clean that log is.
Guys, check it out. Crystal clear water from a well that's over 200 years old. There's still water in the cows out there. Check out the grass we got here. You know, I chuckle when people talk about Western tea. Look at the grass that we grow up here in central Maine. It's you know, it's a little short span, but we can grow some really good beef in a short time. We're gonna fill this up about half full, 3/4 of the way, and then we're gonna yell to the cows. So give us a minute, we'll get it there. This pump's pumping out 35 gallons a minute.
Down 13.
Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.